Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 11th, and this is my analysis for the euro yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So we have CPI inflation data coming out today. Obviously, the euro yen is not a dollar pair, but it does get affected by the dollar news. As of right now, I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. This move up definitely does look like a possible ABC correction. So if we do get like a big engulfing move to the downside at one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, especially if it holds at the news potentially. It could even be the start of a big wave three. I think this is the end of a correction, like the end of a wave B on the 4 hour to daily. So potentially we could have like a wave one, wave two, and hopefully go down and make a wave three, a wave four, and a wave five, potentially looking something like this over the next couple trading days. So definitely, as always, keep an eye on those Fibonacci levels to see if it does react to one of those levels with a nice engulfing move to the downside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.